Hello everyone, my name is Nitish Gupta and this is my second project IMDB clone. So let me show you how this will work. So we can search for the movies here and it will update the result for every key up event. So let me type hello. So it will show all the movies. These are the button to add the movie in the favorites, and when we click on any particular movie it will go to the movie.html page, and from here we can go to the search page also, and this page is for the favorite movies. As of now there are no movies, so the place is blank. If you go and search for another movie, so for example let me add this movie as a favorite, and let me search for another movie, and I am adding this one as a favorite movie, and let me move this here and favorite movie, so it shows the favorite movies here. And you can also remove from the favorite movie, and if you also means close the session also and go back to again the browser and search for here, so it will again show your favorite movies. So the favorite movie list is persistence. Now let's jump to the VS Code for the code. So this is my the index.html page. Here I have added Bootstrap 5 CSS CDN, Bootstrap 5 icons for the heart icon, and this is my own CSS file. In this I have first navbar and navbar, and this I added for the hamburger menu if the device is the phone. And here is a link for the favorite HTML page, and this is the container, and it will have this form. Search for any movie. Input form is input form, and this UL I will append all the data which we will get from the OMDB API. This is Bootstrap 5 JS CDN, and this is my the JavaScript CDN. So I have this is my movie.html file. In this movie.html file, same navbar and same hamburger menu here also, and this is the container. In this container I have one div. In this div I am showing the details of a movie, details details of a particular movie, and this is the favorite HTML page, same navbar. Here I have not given that favorites to the link to the favorites page. This is my container. It shows only your favorite movie, and this in this div I am appending all the data of the favorite movie which I will get from the local storage. This is here the CSS file, just the basic and very minimal CSS I have written, and this is the image. So in the API, some of the in the API for some of the movies they are not passing the image, so I am using for that this image. Let's go to the JS file, and this is my script.js file. So script.js file, this is for the search bar, this is result list UL we are getting, and this is favorite movies. I am first also getting the favorite movies from the get local storage. This is the search bar, and I am listening the event key up here. If key is null, then I'm removing display block here, and display.none I am adding. If it is the movie, if some content is there, then I'm getting the movies from get movies function and adding the data to the DOM and displaying it again. This is the add to the DOM data. So whenever we will get the data from the API, we are appending the data into the DOM for every key up event. This is the movie which I am. This is the function which I am calling to fetch the data from the OMDB API. Here this will get data and it will return that data. This is handle click event. So if the user click on the title, then it will go to the movies.html page. If it is click on the heart icon, then it will add that movie into the favorites, in the favorites array in the local storage. And this is the just movie selected. So once a user clicks on the title of the movie, so I'm setting the ID in the session storage, and when we and I'm also changing the location to the movie.html, and I will use that ID from the session and call again from that call again to the API hit, and I will get all the details of the movie. This function for add to favorite movies. Here I am updating the local storage, and here this function for getting the local storage, and this function is I'm checking so that no user can add duplicate favorite movie in the local storage, and this is for the enabling tooltip to add to favorite icon. This is the movie.js page. I am just calling get movie function. I am getting the ID from the session storage. If it is null, then I am returning from here, and I am showing spinner also until and unless I will get the data from the fetch API, and I am showing appending all these into the movie output.js. And this is my favorite JS. I'm getting the favorite movie here. It is appending to the DOM in the favorite movies, and this function is for removing favorite movie if we click on the remove favorite movies. Thank you.